Good morning, everyone. Happy Christmas Eve. It's day 24 of Vlogmas, so that means we are only one night away from Christmas, or if you're like my family, we get up at midnight and do our Christmas. So today I'm gonna go to my grandparents' house. We are making Christmas desserts, so that's pretty much gonna be the majority of my day. After that, I really don't know what we're gonna get up to, but we're gonna also get some pictures in our Christmas pajamas while we're baking. So come along and join me for that. Quick swerve, we're gonna have to go to the store because of course we do. So before we can get started on any kind of baking or desserts, we have to run to Walmart really quick. And I'm in pajamas. Nails are done. They're a little long. Check out this thumbnail. But I just need them to get me through tomorrow. That's it. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Merry Christmas Eve. I will see y'all tomorrow, and by that time, it will be Christmas.